All right, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? What's going on? Basically, we're gonna be doing another 10 trades today. My students are gonna vote for the setup, and we have a bunch of live people with us right now, about 100 people, 120. So, yeah, I'll be showing them everything. We're gonna take votes and do polls, and we're gonna do about 10 trades, and I'll explain why it's good, why it's bad, if I would have taken it, whatever. So. Without further ado, let's get started. Again, I love the new FxReplay. We're going to be journaling every entry. We're going to be doing checklists, everything, okay? So yeah, let's just get right into it. So here's the 4-hour chart. Here's a 1-hour chart. 4-hour, here's a 4-hour look. Here is the 1-hour look. So very similar. We're kind of in this 1-hour for rally gap. So let's just, without further ado, let's just play some price. Let's go to the next session. Span chart. We'll go to where's the next session? Here we go. Okay, so looks like we swept this low. We have an hourly for rally gap. We're gonna start in like the 1 minute. All right, first trade right here. What do you guys think? So we'd probably be going for, yeah, this will be on YouTube. Probably going for the 8:30 open. It looks like this could be maybe one center for life. I'm not sure. Yes or no? We're gonna do the poll right here. Yes or no? Everyone vote. Again, it's gonna be this setup right here. Okay, you can see we're in an hourly for rally gap. You can see yes or no here. This could be the first trade. Okay, you guys think yes for the most part. So I think this will be yes. Okay. It's probably gonna be yes. Looks like we took out this 5-minute buy side, so 1% save and journal. Screenshot. So is there an SMT? Check. It looks like there is an SMT for this high. So there's SMT, there's data lows. So yeah, okay. For me, I personally, I'd probably take this, but looks good. Let's see. Oh yeah, we gotta journal it. So SMT, singular for value gap, good momentum, and not really. I mean, this candle is good momentum, but V shape, no. Good drawn liquidity, yeah, data lows, and premium. Delivery from PD array, yes. We're delivering from an hourly. Liquidity sweep, yes. We manipulated above this wick here. Macro, yes, it is a macro time. Confidence level, I'll give this a 4. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so that was a stop out. However, in live time, I would have gone south to break even there, most likely. Probably going to want to break even there, but that's stop out. Honestly, it's 1 cent for life, so maybe I wouldn't. It just depends. So If it was V shape, would I give it 5 stars? Yeah, it just wasn't. It wasn't like that V shape. It wasn't really great momentum. Not gonna lie, but all right. All right. What do we think about this setup? We're gonna do another poll. So one star for life. Y for yes, 2 for no, or Y for yes, and for no. Has to get at least 50% yes to take it. Sorry. It's like the same thing almost. There's still an SMT at the top, I believe. Actually, no. Now there's a bear system to here. See that? And we're still delivering out of the hourly. All right. SMT, single gap, going on them. Yeah, I'd say so. V shape, no. It's not in a macro anymore, but I would say confidence level. Okay, so that's that. I suppose I need to screenshot it again. Okay, break even there. Okay, so break even trade, but what does scale half there? So obviously I'm trading just a little different, but break even shot scale half trade. You can clearly see we would have scaled half here because we don't know if we're gonna bounce here. So good trade, good job. So yeah, honestly, good trade, good job. So that was the second trade. I feel like we could get another setup down. Damn, dude, that's unlucky. Yeah, that's just unlucky. Honestly, this one was a good inversion. I should have did a pull on it, but whatever. Okay, what do you guys think about this? MAC data lows, target high day. Do a little vote. Inverse both these. Inverse the 2. Inverse this 30-second. You'd obviously want to scale half here, but this can be the third trade. All right, you guys think yes? All right, cool. So 72% voted yes. Let's do yes. So we're going to do this. Place order, save a journal. Checklist. I think we do. Yeah, we do have an SMT with the lows. Singular for a lot of my trades do have SMTs. Good momentum, yeah. V shape, no. Good drawn liquidity, no. It's in discount, yes. Delivered from PD array, no. Oh wait, yeah. We are delivering from here. So yes, delivered from PD array. What else? Liquidity sweep, yes. Macro time, yes. It is the macro time, which I do like. Confidence level. I don't know, man. I probably feel it's not light bulb yet to me. It's not like a light bulb setup, so still 4. That low sweep. So yeah, let's try it. Oh, baby. All right. Honestly, scale half there. South break even. Oh! Hey, good trade, guys. Good trade. Oh, I need to do the auto break even. I forgot about that. Good trade, guys. Beautiful. For everyone who just voted yes, good job. Whoever voted no there, you need some work because that was a good setup. All right, that was the third trade. So that's going to be my only trade of that day. Honestly, we just got back green in the day, so we're going to go to the next day. Next day session. Okay. Here's a hard time frame. All right, thoughts on this. So this one, we are in and out. If we're like up here. ES looks pretty strong here too. You can see both of them inverse this. And we're in an hourly for really gap. Yes or no? Okay, I think somebody yes. Okay, so I do like this one. I probably would take this one. I like the LRLR here. Probably hard stop on the OB. Actually, never mind. Honestly, 2R is fine here. Actually, I'll probably go for the 830 wick here. But I'd probably scale most of 2R. Auto break even. We're going to do auto break even at like 13,653. Okay. Checklist. I don't think there's an SMT, but singular for rally gap. Not really. Good momentum, yes. V shape, no. Then discount, yes. Good turn liquidity, yes. So then to make term high. Liquidity sweep, yes. Macro, no. Delay for PD rate, yes. Conference level, I'll give it 4. Break even there. Okay, break even saved us. Nice. So break even trade. Obviously, you want to go to break even there because I know the market's going to be bullish if. Dude, okay. This looks so good. I know. See, this to me is light bulb. This is a light bulb long. Obviously, according to my strategy, it's not valid, but this is a light bulb long to me just because of ICT. Yeah. See, that's light bulb to me, but see how much we manipulate there? Like, I just know that's going to work every time, bro. And we have a data wick up there. It's obviously not, according to my model, it's not valid, but I know it's going to work. And that's just because I know ICT, so. All right. What do you think about this setup, guys? 30-second, 1 minute, and and 2 minute short all at the same time. This will be the 5th trade. Maybe go for like this. It's not valid because this high right here hit this internal high first. All right, let's go. Yes, no. This setup here, there's a 1 minute, there's a 30-second, and there's a 2 minute. And we're in premium, and we took buy side. All right, thanks somebody. Yes. Cool. Auto break even will be at like 13,703. So auto break even will be here because I know the market should not sell there. I would still give it not full confidence. 4. So to me, this looks like a soup in hindsight, just because of the V shape. Now, SMT, let's see. It's not a major SMT. Angular gap, yes. Good momentum, yes. V shape, yes. Curved around liquidity, not really. It's in premium. Delivered from higher time frame PD array. Yes, we'd be delivering from the hourly BPR. Liquidity sweep, yes. Macro, it is the macro time too. Nice. So yeah, this is alright trade, I guess. Ah, that's gonna stop me out. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I probably would have taken that, but could get this maybe. All right, we need 6 more trades. All right. What do you guys think about this one right here? We swept this low. Or we didn't sweep the low. Oof. We swept this low. And it looks like we have LRLR above here. What do you guys think? $15-minute looks like this. We just tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. Barely, but it's like a IO fed institutional order flow journal entry. All right, looks like it's going to be your first no. So to me, this looks like, yes, it's going to work. But is it against the rules? Technically, yeah. I think this works, though. Now, if it doesn't work, even better for me, because it's against the rules taken anyways. And if it does work, it's like, okay, cool. Okay, I'm glad I didn't take that one. Yeah, we went for the equal lows. So that like worked, but it did work. It did work. It didn't stop out. So you can see it did work. It didn't stop out, but it was just those equal lows dragged us down, I think. All right. Now I think we could go up because we set those equal lows. There's no entry. See if we get like a 30-second entry. Back in the 15-minute. See, this is where we can get an A+ setup. Okay. So 1 minute looks good. All right. What do you guys think? Yes, no. We're in an hourly still. We have really good LRL up here, dude. All right, you guys think yes? Cool. I'm wondering. Okay, wait. The 1 minute did close above, but the 30-second didn't. Okay. If this fails because the 30-second didn't close above, but I'd still be willing to take this, to be honest. So this is the 5th entry. Checklist, iFVG rating. Is there an SMT here? Oh yeah, there is an SMT. There is a bullish SMT. You can see the low here. ES did not hit it, but NQ did. SMT singular gap, yes. Good momentum, yes. V shape. Honestly, yeah, this is V shape. Good drawn liquidity, yes. LRLR, premium discount, delivery from PD array, liquidity sweep, macro. Bro, this literally has everything. Oh wait, not a macro. Oh wait, yeah, it's about to be a macro pretty much. This pretty much has everything. But the confidence levels is here like a 3 because the candle closed. We could have everything, but the candle close doesn't make me confident. So I was like half confident. Good setup, but bad candle close. Again, like it's still a good setup, but oof, yeah, not what you want to see. Yeah, so let's stop out. So yeah, the only thing that made me like less confident in that one and why I gave it a less confidence rating than all the other ones is because the candle close, literally. So that candle close is just not what we want to see. I probably would not have taken it in the lifetime because of the candle close. That's just me, but I think that was a good trade. Again, like there was a play like that today on stream where I said I'm not entering because the candle close sucked. Literally same exact thing. So I wouldn't have entered that on live time. Kind of like the one today I said on stream I'm not entering because the candle close sucked. So candle close definitely important. Also, the 2 minute didn't get closed above here either. So just see what happens. See, this doesn't look terrible either. Let's see how the candle closes over this. This one would be really good. Oh yeah, this one looks really good. This one, we're delivering out of this hour. We took this intermediate term low. See, this one, I'm pretty confident in this one. Okay, let's do a vote. This will be the 6th trade, and then we gotta do three more after this. So this one, I mean, to me, this looks good. I don't know about you guys, but this one I would take my live count. I gotta stop telling you guys, so then you're extra more realistic. Okay, you guys are gonna vote yes, because I'm giving you the answer. But yeah, I'd take this one. This one I'd be confident in. I mean, look at, we're in an hourly for like we swept the intermediate term low. Yes, looks good. I mean, this is just really good. You got LRLR above. I mean, this just looks really good. So photo, I got LRLR above. There's an SMT, I believe. Yeah. Wait, is there? I don't think there's a big SMT. There is a short-term bullish SMT. So yes, there's an SMT at the bottom in the 1 minute. Singer for like yes, good momentum, not V-shape, good draw on liquidity, yes. Premium discount, yes. Delay from PDRA, yes. Liquidity, yes. Macro time, no. I feel pretty confident. I would give this 5 stars confidence level. Good LRLR, like the momentum inside hourly FVG. Like this, like is generally like I'm confident in it. Now, if this is a loss, that would be funny. I know, but this one I'd be so confident. Yeah, look at that. So again, good trade there. I just totally effed that up just because I didn't scale when I should have. But again, you can see it would have been a scale half last break even trade. I would have scaled half at this high up here because it's an unbalanced fair value gap. And then I would have gone stop break even, which this is actually FOMC. So I would actually have not entered this in live time. This is FOMC, seems like. So I never would enter this in live time. But let's say this wasn't before FOMC, then yes, I would enter this live every single time. This is just a really good setup. Even the 1 minute was pretty good too. I like this candle. So yeah, you can see FOMC there. I'm guessing we go back up. See if we get like a good inverse though. Again, in live time, if I knew that, I would obviously not enter that. Even though it would have been a win. I'm not going to be like, oh yeah, I totally would enter that even though it was a win, you know? Okay, this looks pretty solid. Okay, so there's a 3 minute entry here. We came into this 3 minute here. What do you guys think? And then you target up here. Okay, yes, no for the century. So it looks like, to me, this looks like more V-shape. We came into a higher time frame PD array. We have an unbalance here, which would be the scale half. There's a giant SMT, I believe. We did not leave data lows behind, but this is super V-shape. Look at this wick in this candle right here. Okay, you guys think? Let's see. What do the people say? Okay, you guys all say yeah. Yes, Tijuana voted no. Interesting. So yeah, I like this. I would definitely take this in live. Looks really good to me. Tags, there's an SMT, singular gap, good momentum, V shape, yes. Good draw liquidity, yes. Premium set discount, yes. Delivery from PD array, yes. Liquidity CPS, macro, no. I'm pretty confident about this one. Super confident it's not a break even. All right, save. Okay, we're gonna do half off there and hold the rest of the highs. Wow, okay. So again, super confident about that one. Boom, baby! Good trade, good trade. So that was super good. Again, LRLR above. That could have been a 5-hour trade, but again, very V-shaped, very high confident for me. And again, if I go back to my journal, right, I obviously gave that a 5-star setup just because, again, I was super confident in that. So to me, that's like a light bulb setup. So that one I definitely want to take in. All right. So obviously we're pretty up. The other trade was a mistake. That wasn't actually lost, but we're pretty up so far. So let's take like 2 more trades. Let's go to the next session. Okay. To be honest, right now it looks like we could go for. I would love a 50% retracement here. So I'm actually bearish here. I think. Not even looking to the left. I automatically think the market should retrace here. So I would actually be looking for bearish setups here. Let's see. I want to pump it open, then a bearish, like a Judah swing. So I want to see open go up and then maybe a Judah swing down. Okay, here's open. Ready? So I want to see this. Okay, this is it right here. What do you guys think? Are you kidding me? My keyboard just died. Bro. All right. Yes. No. Everyone vote. It looks like this would be your Judah swing, which I kind of said I wanted a Judah swing to open to go up, and then I want to see that faded. You can see 30-second time frame looks like this. Honestly, yeah, I'd probably take the 1 minute because this I'd be pretty confident in that. And then I go for this 0.50%. Okay, so you guys say yes. So, okay. So for me personally, I actually would not take this one live account. They're probably wondering why. Honestly, it's not as good as it could be, but I still like the setup. They're probably like, oh, you just said you thought it was a good setup. I think it is a good setup. It's just not something I take my live account. It's not like light bulb, but I do like it. I do like it. I think it has a good shot at working. We're gonna let the probabilities play out. Light bulb just means like it's just so good. the thing is, the light bulb entries for me, to be honest, are the ones that I'll show you in a second. SMT, let's see. Oh, bam. There's a big SMT here, I think. Oh, wait, maybe not. Oh, there's an SMT here. SMT here. Singular for value up, yes. Good momentum, yes. V shape, yes. Yeah, it's a yes. Good draw liquid, yes. So it's kind of, it's a little low, but I would probably say no for this one. Delay from PD array. Not really. Equity CPS, macro time, nope. Confidence level, I'll give like a 4. A little better than the other one. Not as good as the other one before. Not good internal engineered liquidity. So what I mean by that is, do you see how we're technically going for low, this swap this low? Like, that's the reason why I want to take it on my live account. Because, to be honest, it's like there's not that guaranteed break even, if that makes sense. I like that guaranteed break even. So let's just see what happens. Yep, so stopped out there. So yeah, you can see why I want to take it on a live count. Although I did think it was a good trade, I just would not take that on a live count. Okay. Also, you can see the 30-second never broke, I don't think so. All right. We got another one here. Okay. There are gonna be 2 more trades here. Another one here. Do a little pull on this one. Yes, no. The break even, I go to break even when we hit the internal low, and to be honest, this wasn't a guaranteed break even trade for me. So it's like, I didn't like it. Like, I would not have entered that in my live count. So this one we got a pretty big death candle here. You guys think yes? Okay, you guys think yes. Cool. So we're gonna take this one, journal it, then I'll give you my thoughts on it. Checklist, iFVG ratings, yes. SMT, yes. Singular, yes. Good monthly, yes. V shape, yes. Good draw liquidity, yes. They're from PD right now. Liquidity sweep, yes. I think macro time, yes. Confidence level, I would give this. I think it's gonna be guaranteed break even, but. So to be honest, this one I'm a lot more confident in. I think it's gonna be at least a guaranteed break even. But that's just me. So I actually would take this in my live, and I like how this is like a soup in hindsight. So let's just see what happens here. Okay, so that would have been a stop out. Again, was not a break-even trade, but that one I definitely would have taken. That one is really good in my opinion. And you can just see the market does not care about going to this 50% right now. So this is where I switch my bias and be like, okay, I think the market goes back up. Because, again, you can see that the market right here, this is just a really bullish candle, so I probably would switch my bias there. See that? Again, you can just tell it doesn't care about going for the 50%. Okay. What do you guys think about this one right here? This one would be I'd probably go for the same thing here. I'd probably go for 50%. I mean, yeah, I'd probably still go for 50%. Honestly, there's nowhere else you could target. Let me do this. Yes or no? The break even would be here. Okay, you guys are saying there's 48%, no, 52%, or 40%, okay, 50-50. Cannot be 50-50, it has to be above or below. Okay, you guys think yes. Okay, I'd like it. I would say yes too, honestly. Looks decent. It's not light bulb or anything, but it looks like there is an SMT. Wait, is there? Yeah, there is an SMT with the ES. I think it's good because the SMT. See how you can see this didn't make a higher high, but this did. I think it hits at least here. I mean, obviously we'll find out, but confidence level. What did I give it that? I'll probably give it that. Good momentum. Yeah. Cruise around liquidity. Yeah, I'll say so. Premium. To learn from PD array. No. Then macro time. No. All right. Okay, so there's the break even, and it looks like it's gonna be a break even trade. Yeah. Damn. See, what if it worked? Okay, so it would not have hit full TP. It would have been done all as BS. So honestly, fine break even trade, but I think that was a decent trade. I think that was a good break even. So all right, let's try to take one more trade. Again, we are in profit right now. This is obviously not real. I'm gonna try to get one more winning trade. Damn, price does really not want to go to this 50%. Okay, this thoughts on this inversion. We're gonna do quiz on this. The TP would probably go for like this. What do you guys think? Okay, you guys think no. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I have premium version 4K up. 52% yes, 40% no. Can we get a couple more votes, please? Okay, it looks like it's gonna be a no. Okay, so it's gonna be a no. I disagree with that. I think this works, but that's just me. So yeah, you can see I was right again. Pretty easy play there. That to me is more of a light bulb play. So I'm not sure why you guys want to know, but I just know it's something that's gonna work. So again, I can't explain it. It's just screen time. So and I also like the engineered highs up there. So that trade would have finished it off if you guys voted yes, but you guys did not vote yes for some reason. Even though this is a little V-shaped light bulb. Okay. Next setup. Let's go to the next session. I missed that entry. I would have taken that short. That would have been like a free break even trade right there, and then I would have got south break even, but I would have taken that for sure. Could be a Judas swing. Maybe not. Okay, never mind. So we're above buy side. We're at all-time highs. Okay, we got this right here. Would be about probably go for 1 hour here. Yeah, I thought it was cleared to Jury Bear. I would have taken that. All right, let's set up right here. We're at all-time highs. We're delivering off this 3-minute. Clear break even point. All right, definitely yes. Save in journal, screenshot, checklist. There's not an SMT, I don't think, is there? Ooh, there actually is an SMT here. Okay, there is an SMT. I feel like all my winning trades have SMTs, and I just don't know it. SMT, singular gap, no. Good momentum, yes. V shape, no. Good run liquidity, no. Delivered from PD array, yes. Liquidity sweep, yes. Macro, yes, it is the macro time. 5 stars. I'd give this a pretty confident level. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, all-time highs, right? This is usually one of the bullshit that works. Yeah, right there. And boom. So beautiful. Again, 5-star confidence. That to me just looked light bulb too, honestly. So, nice trade there. Okay, we're back. So we're in profit. Okay, obviously the one trade was profitable. I just took it at a loss. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it there. Good job, you guys are profitable again. And yeah, it just shows my students know what they're doing. So yeah, you can see the stats, sure. I mean, the stats are kind of lying to you right now, but we can look at the stats. That's fine. Let's see here. So here are the stats. 2.76 RR, 33% win rate. Obviously, this should be like 50%, and it should be higher P&L. But obviously, I took the loss, even though it wasn't a loss. And then the FOMC play too. So yeah, honestly, the stats don't really matter. The entry matters, and the rest of the session matters. Anyone watching this, you shouldn't even give a crap about these. You obviously just saw me trade. You obviously saw my students trade profitably, with good entries, right? So like that's what matters. And then once you figure out drawing liquidity, once you learn SCT, that's where you can really hone in and start really upping your win rate. Like, oh, I actually know they're drawing liquidity. I'm not just pattern trading. That's where your win rate becomes much higher. On FxReplay, it's kind of hard to do that. You kind of just pattern trade on it, but again, that's gonna be it for today. They are easy to see, but you have to be patient. You know, a buy stop limit is just fills you to limit price, where a buy limit fills you a market price. So limit will get you a more precise fill. So. All right, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for coming. Good backtesting session there. And again, anyone in comments like, oh, all you do is get stopped out for break even. That's just not the case. You just have to join my live streams because, yeah. Okay. Goodbye. Don't forget to use code Dodgy, 80% off, Apex, link in the bio. And yeah, okay, goodbye for real. Peace. Oh yeah, if you actually got here, dude, there's like no one here. I guarantee you. Because they're all like, oh, he probably ended the video. I guarantee you no one's watching this right now. If you are, comment the word magic. I bet you there's like no one watching this far. There's no way people keep watching till like the end. They're probably like, oh, Dodgy's getting off, and then they end the video. Comment the word magic if you got here. I'm curious. Okay, goodbye.